Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how you can easily clear cache on your Windows 11 or how you can clean your computer, your PC. Now, if this video will be helpful, you can easily support me and subscribe. I'm really thankful for it. So how you can actually do it? First thing you want to do is go to search on the bottom and write disk cleanup. It's application, click on a disk cleanup application, and then you can easily choose what you want to actually okay, let's say Windows C, OK, and now you're gonna see this. So what do you want to actually clean? Daily optimizations files, DirectX, Windows error reports, and then also temporary files, recycle bin. So completely up to you what you want to delete. And then you just press OK. So you have option to delete those if you want to. You can also clean up system files. So that's something you can do. Let me show you again. So that's pretty much it how we do it. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy to do. And yeah. So yeah. I don't know what is happening right now, but this is how we do it. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy.